Indomie noodles in 1 minute. Here is how you make it. In a bowl, add 1 pack of noodles and also to it add a seasoning. Add 400 ml of water, cover it with a cling film and cook for 2 minutes in your microwave. Uncover the noodles and give it a quick stir and cook it open for another 3 minutes until the water has reduced significantly. Stand for 1 minute and serve. Serve by itself or with fried eggs. Thank you for watching. I hope you're going to make this. Let us know if you're going to try this method. Give us a like, comment in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.